Good evening, everyone. I am at the Flying J truck stop, and I don't even know where I woke up this morning because I was so exhausted after driving. Excuse me, I just had my morning Coke. Yes. I was so exhausted after driving last night that I didn't even realize or know where the hell I woke up. So, before I even started smoking some medicine to ease the pain of my back and my legs from sleeping in a cramped truck all night, I had to ask a random person, "Excuse me, sir, but what state are we in?" Because in Texas, it's absolutely against the law. You could get in a lot of trouble. Matter of fact, you could go to jail for smoking marijuana. So I need to make sure that I was out of Texas, okay? So he looks at me and he's all, "We're in Oklahoma?" And I was like, "Is it legal here to smoke marijuana?" And he said, "Yeah, actually it is." And I was like, "All right, thank you so much. You have a nice day." And he just laughed and he said, "You too." Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get a reading this evening. Okay, and I'm going to try to do some new stuff. I want to try to, I want to try to pull some cards with these. I've never used these before. These are pretty interesting. I really like them. Okay, let's see here. Collective, what do we have for this evening? We're going to pull one of these and we're going to read out of the book. And then I got to get on the road because it's already, I don't know what time it is. But we got to get on the road. Ooh, I love these cards. Anointment. Anointment? Really? I love that. Look at how beautiful. That is like tie-dye for days. Ooh, look, and her eyes are like, are they upside down? No, they're right side up. Okay. Yes, I love her eyes too. So we're going to read Anointed. Okay, no, I'm hearing Anointed was good, but we need one more. Okay. Anointed speaks for itself. Yes, I'm talking to a bunch of anointed ones. I am talking to a bunch of anointed ones. Okay, and then the Guardian. And that's what's flipped over on its own. So we're going to take Anointed Guardian, okay? And Infinity's on the bottom. So these are kind of like speaks for themselves kind of thing. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to try to look up Guardian. And see what comes out. Guardian. Okay, Guardian, where are you? This is the only part that I hate. Is finding them all. The secret guide. Come on. Whichever one I come to first. Anointed or Guardian. I'm taking it. Okay. I hope you guys are all doing well. Okay, I came to Anointed. I guess it was just meant to be. Okay. Anointed is first. So, it says, inspired by the tarot, the world, the number 24 is the diplomacy and the harmony within all relationships. Okay, it says, personal freedom always comes at a great personal cost, but what price do you place on sovereignty? No, the fire alarms are going off. I really hope this is a drill because I'm at a gas station. Okay, this is a sign for you guys. I want you to check your fire alarms, make sure they have batteries in them. Okay? It says, honor who and what it took to bring you here. Be grateful for all that was sacrificed for the greater good. It is your turn. You have arrived at a place in your life where joy, liberty, and independence are yours for the taking. That's freaking amazing. But it's kind of worrying me about the alarm going off. So I think I'm gonna get on the road now because I am at a really big fuel stop. And well, if this thing goes up, this could be a mushroom cloud. Now, I just hope everybody else here follows my lead. All right, God bless you. Please remember, no matter what situation you're in, it can always be worse. Okay, check your fire alarms, and also check the expiration dates on your fire extinguishers. I love you so much. God bless you. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Love you. Bye.